morning.
Welcome to day 3.
It's already day 3.
Yes.
Yes. Today is a C day, and this morning we're going to go to brunch. Well, breakfast, not brunch, because brunch costs. We're going to try to see if we can get breakfast and fins. So it's supposed to be able to get it until 10:30, from 8 to 10:30. So hopefully we can make that happen. So let's go and see if we can. Okay. Well, we still got a little time, so let's go see if we can make that happen. All right, so this is the menu for Finn's breakfast. It's a light menu, but I guess it's better than fighting people over food. So we're gonna go in and see how this goes. What you think?
No, like you say, it's probably better than what the buffet would be.
Yeah. All right, let's go. Okay, so the food is here. It came out super quick.
Too quick, yeah.
Like, super quick. The plates are hot, so we want to see how the food is, but the food did come out, like, really, really quick. So, it looks good.
It looks like breakfast.
Yeah, well. So, we're going to give it a go. I'm waiting for my bacon, but outside of that, 5 minutes, maybe? Yeah, maybe 5 minutes. So we'll see how it is. Okay, so observation we were just discussing. I guess we could just go ahead and have this conversation with you guys too. Order an omelet because you know it's being made fresh. Our food is something that you can just basically make and they can grab and go. So it's not as hot as you would expect it to be. Being the reason why it came out so fast, because it's like grab and go food. So if you order an omelet,
how's everything here?
I'm just missing my bacon and the grits. Yep. If you order an omelet, like he said, he did tell us an omelet will take some time. And his example was because they have to make it. Everybody doesn't have omelets the same. Well, that's true. But if you make French toast or waffles or sausage, all of that is made the same. So you can just make that and have it up for people to grab and go. So.
Don't eat eggs, then
it's not a problem. Did you order eggs? No. See, neither one of us ordered eggs, so our food was just basically grabbing up. So we'll see, and then if we still have time, maybe even go up to the buffet and just kind of compare the difference. Because I got a feeling I'm not going to be satisfied. So we'll see how this goes. How was that?
Slightly below average.
Yeah.
How do you feel outside? Isn't it gorgeous? Isn't this much better than dancing with Beryl? Much nicer. What a beautiful day we're going to have as well.
Oh, we didn't get a pedal. Did they give you a pedal? Yeah. Oh, we need to get pedals. Okay. Got my pedal. For some reason on this sailing, we did have a lot of downtime. We thought there would be more to do being that this was a 4th of July sailing, but that really wasn't the case. So there were a lot of activities like trivia and arts and crafts, and that's what we ended up doing. All right, so cutting my pedal. The girls were interested in doing the flower making, so I decided to join them in that. Concentrating really hard. Test my artistic skills. So you do it for all the colors? I just folded it over again. Let's just say that my flower did not turn out the way that I wanted it to. In my mind, I was doing a great job, but it really was not all that good. But anyway, it was something fun to do, and I definitely enjoyed it, and I had a good time. Now, one thing you may not know about me is I love music of all kinds, especially music that takes me back to my teenage years. So here I am singing the Fugees. Another thing that we noticed was this was not only C-Day activities. These activities were offered every single day of the cruise, so you got a chance to do it again if you needed to. Made a flower. How's your flowers going?
I'm not really sure.
Oh, yours? It's so dainty. It looks like spring. It does. Mine looks like it's a wild hog. Hey, it's wrapped. It has a stem. That's all that matters. All right, so we just finished off Arts and Crafts in Far Side of the World, and they are ready to serve like sushi. Of course they are. It's like 1 o'clock, but they're ready to serve sushi. But this is the menu, and I'll also post pictures of it. But they have the sushi, they have the fruit tea, boba, bubble tea, wine and beer. So this is the menu for that, and of course I will post it. But that's where the sushi is over there, as you can see. It's over there at the bar, so pretty interesting. All right, so here is the sushi for display only, of course. Nice options. All right, so I'm about to go and get some lunch. So this is the mix when they put fresh fried chicken and steak tips up. I think Brandon's gonna go up, but it's like in a cookout. It's almost like cookout food because they have like the mashed potatoes, mac and cheese, the succotash.
Potatoes for cookout.
I mean, potato salad, mashed potatoes. Some people do, but I'm just saying like ribs.
Yeah.
And then like they have sausages and hot dogs. So, I mean, you got a nice variety of stuff, but I just wanted to see. So I'll let you know afterwards, but I think Brandon's gonna go up and grab a plate.
Hello, is it me you're looking for?
Doesn't want to try a flip flop?
Yeah, sure, okay.
Everybody's here.
It's like pineapple juice.
What is in it?
Blue curacao.
Oh my god. And one of them, we had my separate
Pineapple juice, just straight pineapple juice. No? You don't like you like pineapple juice?
I do, but it's not. I don't know. It doesn't taste like a drink. It just tastes like
straight pineapple juice.
Yeah, with love.
I like it.
US Navy. He served in 1957 to 1961. Then became a police officer for 27 years, retired Detective Lieutenant of New Jersey. Robert Petrus served in the 25th Infantry US Army Corps. During Vietnam, 65, 66 and part of 67. Awarded the Purple Heart after stepping on a landmine, miraculously didn't lose any body parts. Robert is joined here with his wife Victoria, and they are celebrating their 56th wedding anniversary this week. Also joining are Craig Hoffman. Craig Hoffman, Sergeant, 196 Flight Infantry of the U.S. Army Corps. Vietnam vet of 68 and 69 also awarded the Purple Heart.
A few moments later.
So apparently, sorry, we're just resting ourselves. So apparently, my husband says in a scary movie situation, I'm the person that runs towards the danger. But it was a kid. I thought the kid was in trouble.
What just happened?
There was a kid running down the hallway screaming as if somebody was trying to unalive him. I opened up the cabin door because I was like, okay, like it really sounded like somebody was trying to hurt him. I opened up the door and he says, I have a Now he had this other kid with him who was very much older than him. This kid might have been 12 that was saying it. The other kid looked like he was probably 16. He said, I'm sorry, ma'am. The little one was like, yeah, I'm sorry, ma'am. I was like, do you think that was smart? He was like, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I thought the kid was in trouble.
And that's how they'll get.
That's how they get me.
How many movies you saw with possessed kids?
Dang, so you saying the kid's gonna be the one to get me?
You literally just said yourself. You run towards.
I thought the kid was in trouble. So now I just gotta if something goes on with the kid, I just gotta let it happen.
But I don't understand why you thought, like, it was clearly a kid being a jerk. Like, that's the scream. That's what I got out of it. I don't know why you went towards the door.
Because I was concerned.
That was not a concern.
That's a mother thing.
That was not a concerned scream that kid was doing. That's a I'm bad as hell scream, and I'm just gonna try to wreak havoc. That was not I'm in trouble. Please help me scream.
I don't know the difference.
Well, you need to figure out the difference.
All right, so we're here at dinner. We're in the buffet because what we've learned is since everything in the buffet is the same as it is in the dining room, we just decided to come and eat in the dining room. I mean, in the buffet because it's easier. And the dining room seems to have like a long wait as well. So I will show you what I got. Shay's also going to do a pan of the buffet, but I do have some sweet potato soup, some fried potatoes and onions, some Carolina rice and peas is what they call it, some Mediterranean chicken, Creole pasta, and then they had turkey tonight. And then I got like one piece of broccoli. So I will show you my plate, and then as always, we'll let you guys know how it tastes. I will say the food has been much better on this cruise than it was on the Paradise. So this is my plate. So we are in the Stars on the Water Theater, and we are getting ready to watch the Honky Tonk. What is it? Honky Tonkin at sea. Honky Tonkin at sea.
So a lot of country music and like a lot of country activities going on here.
It's honky tonk.
I feel like they're slicing out a demographic here, but what am I?
It's honky tonkin at sea. We're gonna watch it and see. That's what I said, honky tonkin.
I guess country music is the most American thing ever.
It is.
If you need assistance booking your next cruise, feel free to reach out to us at parkersonthego16@gmail.com and we can help you book your next cruise adventure.
Watch this video right here.